Like in your favourite song, a chorus is a few lines that repeats throughout the piece. You can do exactly the same thing in your poem. It helps bring it to life, add a bit more emotion. It also can sometimes help with the structure and creating a rhythm. And most importantly, it really helps people understand what the meaning and the main focus of your poem is. The first thing you want to do when you're creating a chorus is decide what your poem is about. The next thing you should do is come up with a few lines to sum up that meaning. Finally, think about where you're going to put the chorus in the poem, how many times you're going to repeat it, and if you want to put any actions in there.